Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working on BMW E91 and we'll demonstrate guys, if you have an E91, where to find the relay for the rear windshield, for the rear window wiper, my bad. If your rear window wiper does not work, we'll show you how to find that relay. You can see, you can open it here, you don't see almost anything. Okay, so the relay is actually pretty hidden and we'll show you where to find it. It's not in the trunk, also it's not under the hood. Some people think that this relay is the same relay that controls the front windshield wipers, but it's not. The rear wiper and the front wipers are on different relay. Also guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, give a like guys, and if you need help with anything, drop a comment, we'll try to make a video for you. So let's go ahead now and show you where to find that. So you need to go to the passenger side, you need to open your glove box. Second, you need to empty everything if it's full. After that, okay, you have these turning knobs here. Okay, let me just focus a little bit here. Turn them 90 degrees, perfect. Now on this side, turn this one 90 degrees, and that cover will come out guys. You can see just like that. Also, all the parts and tools that we use, including the relays, will be listed in the description of the video below, so check it out. We have a video guys how to test the relay. That way you don't have to worry about buying one if you don't need one, and you can find out if that's causing your problem. So you can see we have some relays on the left side here, okay, those three, and we have some on the right as well. So the one for the rear windshield wiper is the one on the very bottom, okay, this one right there. So usually I grab it with my hand, but those things are like super tight, so they will not come out really fast, but eventually they'll come out. You can use pliers to pull them out, but be careful not to damage anything. Now this is the relay, and you can find out, okay, online, the link to the place where we got our relay from. We'll have it listed in the description of the video below, so you can check it out. Okay, that's what it looks like. Made in Portugal. It has 5 feet, so we have a video how to test those. If you need, check it out. So I'll get a new one now, or the replacement one that we purchased, identical relay, and we're going to go and install it. Now those 3 teeth go on the bottom. Okay, and it goes only one certain way, and when you align everything, push it in all the way. After that, do not forget to install your cover here. Turn those 90 degrees, close it, okay, and after that we need to close our glove box, and this is guys the whole procedure, the whole video. So hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.